Okay, GU daily analysis on the 4 hour. So far, it is respecting this trend line down at the bottom. Um, mm, yeah, it's kind of on a correction phase right now. Haven't broken any 4 hour structure on the 1 hour. Um, let's see. Okay, yeah, 1 hour fib is completed. Right now, we got the impulse correction continuation. It's looking right now like it's just a correction. It still haven't reached the last lower low point. So it may go back up to around this area. That's what I'm anticipating. And I'll retest this trend line right here, or perhaps break above and then start an uptrend. But for right now, it's really just a pullback. All right. And then for minor structure, we just done a bunch of consolidation. Consolidation over here, consolidation all through here. It has kind of been forming this zone area right here. So I just put that there to see if price is maybe trying to come back down to this area. Once it reaches this area, we'll have to see if it's going to break below and go back down to retest this trend line again, or break above to go up and um, test that trend line right there. But right now, it is just consolidation. So I do have this fib place here because on minor structure, price did break above this lower high point to make a higher high. And I did have another trend line going through here, but it kept kind of breaking, so I just got rid of it. So moving on. All right, so let's see what's going on 4 hours. Okay, on the 4 hour, we got impulse correction, continuation up to TP1, another correction here. Or is that okay, impulse correction, continuation for the 4 hour. Yeah, so far right now on that 4 hour, it's just a pullback. It hasn't broke any structure as far as the highs and lows, but it did break and retest this trend line right here. Let's see. Yeah, there's no way to really read to that trend line to make it make more sense. Yeah, so for the 1 hour, Yeah, the impulse correction continuation to complete that fib. Um, impulse here, correction back to that previous level of resistance. Looks like continuation, maybe. Let's see. Oops. Donate that. Okay. Yeah. All right. We need some sort of break above and come back to test before buying up for the 1 hour. One minor. Yeah, the impulse. Wait, let's see. Where's my 0? Impulse correction. Still in correction. Waiting on continuation. That's possible. It'll be retesting this area here, if that's the case. So if this is the 0, mm, mm, okay. All right, so yeah, for right now there is not any entry opportunities that I see. Maybe if we get a retest here, there may be opportunity for a sale. Looks like it's done all the retest it's going to do. This trend line, bounce, bounce, bounce. Yeah, that's a better trend line for that. It broke, so it may come back retest and then potentially come back down to negative 27. So I'll go ahead and set the alert here. And maybe grab some bars patterns. Oops, didn't try to do that. Let's see what that looks like now. Okay, maybe something like that.